Today I wanted to talk about using a strap or not using a strap and your options of how to hold the ukulele. I like using a strap that is anchored with a knob here, and this side is tied on with string around the neck under the strings. And I like this. This is the most stable version for me because I let go and this part stays put. My hand can slide around. It's easiest to maneuver, in my opinion. This is a tenor size, by the way. The other option would be, if I didn't have a strap, because it's a little bit bigger, I could put the round part of the instrument on my leg and have this up at an angle and play this way. So I would have to hold the neck up with this part of my hand and maneuver changing by sliding, hopefully without shaking this too much. The problem with this is I have to be seated. If I want to walk around and play without a strap, I basically need to bring this higher and squeeze this side of the instrument with my arm, hold this side up, and then play. It's not my number one choice. It's actually the hardest to play for me. This is second. And using the strap is the most secure way for me to play. In the end, it's up to you what you're most comfortable with. Practice with that and have fun. Here is an exercise to strengthen your left hand fingers. We have numbers for our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. A good way to exercise your fingers is to use the same finger number with the fret number. So this finger for fret 1, finger 2 for fret 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4. And you always want to play on the tips of your fingers to avoid bumping into other strings. As soon as you start pressing like this, it's easy to run into the next string. So here's an exercise that strengthens your fingers and reinforces good technique. On one string, we are going to play from open 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, and repeat. So it'd sound like this. Open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, repeat. And did you notice I did not lift up the previous fingers when I went to the other fingers? As much as you can, if you can keep the fingers down, it's less work when you need it again. Let's go to string number 2. Open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. String number 3. Ready? Here we go. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. String 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. So if you could do that for all 4 strings, that would really give your left hand a workout. The other thing is, you notice I plucked everything with my right hand thumb, and I don't have to always use my thumb. We have different fingers we can use for plucking. They are labeled P-I-M-A. If you see fingerstyle picking music printed, you'll see the letters P-I-M-A, and they refer to this, P-I-M-A. A. There are strategies on which finger to use, but to get you started, if you're not used to it, you could just line up one finger per string. The thumb will be for the string closest to your face, that's string 4, and when we pluck it, we go from the top toward the floor. The other 3 fingers, put them under the string, just the very tip, not very far. 1/8 of an inch is enough. Don't stick your fingers in too far. It's hard to pluck like that. When you pluck with fingers I, M, and A, pluck upwards from under the string. Let's do the same exercise as before, using finger A on string 1, finger M on string 2, finger I on string 3, and the thumb, which is finger P, on string 4. String 1, finger A. 1, 2, here we go. String 2, finger M. Here we go. String 3, finger I. String 4, finger P. Let's use our right hand to pluck accompaniment patterns when we hold chords for the left hand. I'm going to show you 3 patterns of plucking with the simple chords C, F, and G7, very commonly used. The first pattern that we are going to do with our P, I, M, A fingers, 1 finger assigned to each string like before, thumb on string 4, index finger under string 3, middle finger under string 2, and the ring finger, which is our A finger, under string 1, just from top to bottom in a row like this. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. That will be the first pattern. I'm going to show you on a C chord, F chord, and G7 chord. I will just do each chord for 2 measures. Here we go. You could play along. Here's C. Here we go. Go to F. Go to G7. Let's finish with a C strum. The second pattern we can pluck our accompaniment pattern with is also 1 note at a time, but I'm going to go in the order of string 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. So more or less, I'm going from lowest to high pitches. Let's also do that with C chord for 2 measures, F chord for 2 measures, G7 for 2 measures, and strum a C at the end. Let's pluck this pattern. 2 measures C chord, 2 measures F chord, 2 measures G7 chord, and strum a C chord at the end. Start with C. Here's F. G7. Strum the C. The third pattern starts with string 4, string 3, pluck strings 1 and 2 at the same time with these 2 fingers, and then finish up with plucking string 3. So it goes string 4, string 3, strings 1 and 2, string 3. Let's do this a couple times without pressing down anything here. Here we go. Let's do it 2 more times. Great. Now let's do 2 measures of each chord. Same sequence. C, F, G7, and end with a strummed C chord. Here we go. 1, 2, play along. Here's F coming. Here's G7. Strum the C. Okay, so now you have learned 3 patterns. The review is 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, and 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. With those accompaniment plucking patterns, you can apply them to any chord you like. Let's review. We already did C. In the same family of C, next chord is D minor, E minor, then we did F, we did G7. If you want to do regular G, A minor, B diminished, very interesting chord, and finish with C. So let's do the first pattern where we simply go from strings 4, 3, 2, 1 and apply it 2 measures of each of these. In the family of C, they are C, D minor, E minor, F. Let's do G7, A minor, B diminished, and we'll finish with a strummed C chord. Here we go. 2 measures each. C. D minor, E minor, F, G7, A minor's next, B diminished, and finish with a C strum. Practice that exercise and you'll be on your way towards smarter and stronger left hand fingers and right hand fingers as well.